We have the pleasure to invite Dr. Mao Zhangfan, Associate Professor from the University of Wuhan, Leming Hospital.
I'm very glad to share my experience about how to achieve 0 in the whole battle of fighting COVID-19.
I think we have the chance in Luxembourg to have had countries ahead of us. So we had a couple of weeks to see what is going on and to prepare ourselves.
As China has a huge experience with an anteriority of some 4 months to our country, the return of experience from our Chinese colleagues was considered essential.
I certainly look forward to the day we can shake hands again. This will be a very long handshake, let me tell you.
China certainly at this moment we have almost contained the virus, and according to our schedule, next week we will have the first batch of students, mostly the graduate students, back to the campus.
Welcome to this third Sino-Luxembourgish webinar on COVID-19 issues.
It's a pleasure to be here to discuss something regarding the treatment of severe COVID-19 pneumonia and some experience we work in the Leisure Hospital and some kind of expert consensus issued by the Chinese government or expert.
Because Luxembourg is a small country and we had quite a small number of patients, and we were really so thankful to have the experience from other countries, notably from China.
I think ultrasound is very sensitive for detection of the consolidation and pleural.
Luxembourg and also in China and the other parts of the world, we hope that this can be avoided, or the risk can be mitigated with solutions.
We are addressing a crucial question that most European governments are debating at this time, which is the exit strategy out of confinement.
It is not easy, I think, to have vaccines in just several years. Maybe we need more time to develop very effective vaccines.
We have to adapt ourselves to this changing world hindered by COVID-19.
You said you had 3 positive children out of the 23 mothers you tested, right?
We detected some, the plagueness, IgM or IgG too high, but we didn't find, the child IgG or IgM.
Professor Zhu is himself specialist for emergency medicine and in intensive care.
I'm confident that we will win the battle together, hand by hand, shoulder by shoulder, and nothing is impossible for winning heart.
Let's then take down the final curtain.